few things to put on here. I'm just gonna put it on loose for now because there's a. I gotta find the other. I think the other half is attached to the what you call it? The can't think of it. Governor. So the front swivel is attached to the governor. Nope. I don't know why it's not working. There we go. Come on. Hold on. What are you doing? You're a pain in the ass is what you're doing. Farging ice hole. There we go. There we go. All set. All right. All right. We're getting there. Yeah, I think maybe in the spring when it's warmer out, I'll take this off again and maybe sand or bead blast it real quick and spray paint it, just because it's getting some rust on it. All right, making progress. So now it's I gotta figure out if I want to do the shields next or the arms. Probably the shields. The shields will hold it forward a little bit and get those back on. So I'm gonna go dig. Here they are actually. Is this the left or right? Nope, that is the other side. Hold on. What are we doing? Yeah, that's the right one. All right, let me just want to scrape some of the crap off of here and then I'll put it on. It definitely, my OCD kicks in a little bit when I see, you know, some of the rust on this. I want to sit there and, you know, take it in the blast cabinet and blast it off and paint it, but, you know, this is my workhorse and I just need it to be, again, as always, functional, strong and functional. I don't need it to be pretty, but I wish I did have more time to do all these. Actually, hold on, let me think. I'll do that first. I can get my hand in a little bit easier. So I think I'm going to try putting the arm on first, now that I think of it. Let me just grab some stuff and I'll be back. Right. Yeah, let's just gonna go polish, just at least scrape them off, and then put these on. So, be back. All right, got the handles on, got the stuff hooked up. The handles are on loose because I still need to crank down the head. Actually, I'm going to put never sees on all the bolts, and then crank those down. So everything's kind of just a loose fit right now until I get stuff in a better setting or in better position. So this, how does this go? This goes in here. Crap. All right. Just like that. Come on, you get in there. There we go. All right. Throw the spring back on. All right, let me get this. So hold on, let me see. This, I believe, yeah, this is down here. So I gotta lock this in first. And I think what I did too was before I took it apart, I put a Sharpie marker setting, so I knew exactly where I was clamping this on it. So should be able to just drop it right back on in relatively the same spot, which is right there. These things aren't easy, but I might need pliers. Oh, you suck. Alright. Ah, you suck. Alright, let me get some pliers. I'll be right back. Alright, got some pliers. Got the little clip. Actually, it's easier if this is already attached. So, let me give it a little bit of play there. A couple marks. One right there and right there. Gloves caught. There we go. All right, right where it should be. All right. Oh, this is cracked. A little warped, so just replace it. I've got a bunch of them. All right. Next thing I got to do too is this little the connector that goes from the arm of the governor to this little like spool or connector here. For some reason, I don't know why, it doesn't have enough this pin on the top. I don't know if you guys. For some reason, this this connector, this goes through the arm of the governor, and then it sticks through and the hole sticks through, and then you just drop a pin right through that hole. But for some reason, this length, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it was meant for a certain type of governor, but it barely fits through the one I have. So I might take it to a friend and have him just turn it down on the lathe just to make this stick out a little bit more. Or I might make a new one. It's getting pretty chewed up. Because basically the only thing I could fit through literally to hold that on the governor is literally a staple. Like literally a staple that you staple your paper with. It's thin enough to fit just at the top. So I'm gonna have to figure that out at some point. So, all right, thanks for watching.